That one went in the house. You want to blow?
Yay! You made a bubble!
Blow again.
That one went up Grandma's nose.
You want to do it? Okay. Trying to stop her from getting her lips on it. Oh, can you get Mommy? Okay, blow.
She wants it to get her. That's what she was saying. Ella, come stand with Mommy. Come stand with Mommy. I'll get you. Ready? There you go.